Pin code not found. We'll cut it and see. Let me see the key that he did. Oh, he's fucked. Look at him. He's all over the place. He's not even close. You see it? See those wafers how they're sticking up? You see them or not? You see how these are all sticking up?
Yeah, that's bad.
Yeah.
Like 3 of them.
Tell him. Why was it cutting? It shouldn't have been cutting during the middle. Oh, I'm just stupid. I just fucked up this key. I'm gonna hit cancel. That's pretty funny. I didn't use the right spot to start the key because I had the cuts from the other one. So I started in the middle. I'm like, why is it cutting? That's the reason why. I didn't use the right shoulder stop. I used one of the cuts. Oops. This first one might work. We're gonna find out.
That's one way to do it.
You know why? Because at this one I can just take every wafer out, then any key will turn it.
Damn.
You know what I mean? All these little... If you're getting rid of the car, then who cares, right?
Yeah.
That's way off. That's like his key. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna stick a blank key in there. I wonder if that last cut... Okay, we got... The first cut's a 1. And the next cut is a 2 or a 3. One, 2. I'm confused now, sorry. Do any of these have numbers on them? Let's see.